Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and the Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are available over here. You can always manage them by tapping on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!